Hey guys, we have an exciting match for you between the Oppo Find X and the iPhone X. So let's see how they stack up. Now the Oppo Find X has some incredible innovation with it. So we will be testing out the cameras, the speakers, the speed, and a few more things. I think that may have been iPhone there. Alright guys, not for gaming. And it's actually going to be pretty close and maybe a narrow edge for the iPhone. I think that's a tie right there. Subway. Advantage there for the iPhone. Mario. And a pretty easy winner for the oppo. Ashbody. And the oppo winning Ashbody. Alright guys.
Hey guys, I'm back with a brand new video, and it's been a while. Today we're doing a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus versus the phone from the future, which is the Oppo Find X. The Oppo Find X has been incredible for the past few days that I've been using it, and it's such a powerful phone that I want to test out against the Galaxy S9 Plus, and this is the homegrown version with the Exynos 9810 processor. So I never actually tested out the S9 Plus against a 845 device, so this is gonna be new for me, and especially with the Oppo Find X, I'm interested to see how it's going to perform against one of the best performing phones on the market, which is the S9 Plus. So as always, we're going to start things off by booting both phones up at the same time. Here we go. And let's see which is going to be faster in this first boot up round. The Galaxy S9 Plus is one of the fastest phones out there when it comes to booting up. Let's see if the Find X can beat that. And okay, the S9 Plus still slightly faster there. Almost 1 second of a difference there, but the S9 Plus does win by a very small margin. So let's get right into the applications. The first game of the session, which is going to be Subway Surfers. And Oppo Game Space, I think. Yes, this is loaded up in the background, and you can see it is faster than the S9 Plus. Okay, so far so good for the Oppo Find X. Moving on to some heavy duty stuff, which is going to be the Asphalt 9. So I'm gonna launch at the same time. Here we go. Let's see. The new Asphalt 9, I have done the gameplay comparison between the S9 Plus, iPhone X, and the OnePlus 6 on the channel. You could check that out. So let's see. Seems like both phones are about the same. No, the S9 Plus is a little bit quicker there. So first gaming win for the Galaxy S9 Plus. Pin out. What's up guys, and welcome to the first Samsung Galaxy Note 9 speed test on the channel, and that is against its arch rival, the iPhone X. Now the iPhone X that I have here is running the latest version of the iOS 12, which is the beta 8 that came out yesterday, and it is of course in beta, but it is pretty much complete. I have no bugs whatsoever, and it performs really good with my usage. So I want to see how it compares to the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So Note 9 is using the same chipset as the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, but there have been some few software changes, as well as it has like better cooling system. I don't know if that's gonna help, but yeah, we're gonna do a speed test right here, right now. Alright, so as always, we're gonna kick things off by booting both phones up at the same time. Here we go. And alright, Galaxy Note 9, iPhone X, we got the logos up on both phones. Let's see who is going to be faster. My guess is that it's going to be the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. And yes, it is. So the Note 9 is just a tad bit quicker compared to the iPhone 10. Moving on to some third-party app action, starting with Subway Surfers. And Let's see which one is going to be quicker for us. As you can see, the iPhone 10 is done. Just like that, Galaxy Note 9 is right behind, but still not as fast as the iPhone 10 when it comes to opening up of the Subway Surfer. Moving on to another game, which is going to be Smash Hit. And again, the iPhone 10 just a tiny bit quicker. Moving on to Asphalt 9, and this is our huge game installed on both phones. And it's probably the final game of the test. Both are at the loading screen. Who is going to be winner? Because the iPhone 10 is, again, a little bit quicker. Hey guys, it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus versus the iPhone 10. Samsung versus Apple, the biggest rivalry in history, bigger than anything else, and I mean anything. The perfect Galaxy is finally here, and it is the most powerful Android phone in the world. As you can see, insane benchmark score it is. My Galaxy S9 Plus is a beast. I've heard some funny news regarding the benchmarks on some websites, but as you can see, the S9 is definitely on a top-notch game. Oh my god, it's the first ever Exynos boot up 9810 processor. And I'm super excited to see how it will stack up against the best Apple A11, which is still the most powerful chip for the phones. And as you can see, just like that, Galaxy S9 Plus wins the first round when it comes to booting up. It literally takes like 3 seconds. Surfer on both phones. And let's see, okay, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Nope, started the loading first, but okay, that was a draw. As you can see, both phones are insanely beautiful. Of course, the iPhone has the notch, but they look absolutely incredible. So let's launch another game, and this one is going to be a big one. So we have Asphalt 8 game, and let's see, can the Galaxy beat the iPhone in terms of game loading times? Yes, it does. Oh my god. So this is a really rare thing because, you know, not many Android phones can beat the iPhone when it comes to game loading time. So wow, so this is the power of the Exynos 9810 processor. It was faster in loading the Asphalt 8 game. So first game was a draw, second game was a win for the S9 Plus. Moving on, we're gonna launch Pinout. And this time it's faster on the iPhone 10. As you can see, as S9 Plus was really close there, but the iPhone 10 managed to be quicker at the end. You can just quickly start playing. Obviously, we will be testing out the RAM management.